In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Zeqa server in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Now, to join the server, first of all, you need to make sure that you are signed into a Microsoft account. If you haven't already, please go ahead and sign in. You're able to do it from the main menu of Minecraft Bedrock. On the bottom left, you will see a button that says sign in, and then from there, you're able to press on it, and then afterwards, you're able to sign in using a Microsoft account if you already have one. If you never made a Microsoft account before, do not worry because they will walk you through the entire process step by step, and you can create a Microsoft account from scratch from there as well. But once you have signed in, you are good to go. I would also like to keep in mind that unfortunately, people on consoles are not able to join custom servers. Zeqa is considered a custom server, so if you are on a console, it is a little bit unfortunate, but you aren't able to join custom servers. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and add this server right over here. So it is Zeqa.net, and the port is simply default 19132. So press on this add server button, then just type in Zeqa and then .net, and then the port, you can just leave it the way it is, 19132. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and just join it from here. Now, the Zeqa server is one of the biggest PvP servers out there, so you're able to go ahead and join it. So unfortunately, my game seems to be a little bit laggy. So, unfortunately, that does happen sometimes. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.